We welcome Sri Matte Adisankar Garu, Chief Guest of today's 34th Regional Kabaddi Meet, the Executive Director of Sri Lalita Industries Private Limited, Valudimapuram, Pedapuram, and also his better half, Srimati Matte Sravanti Garu, as guest of honor for today's regional meet, MD DVL, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist in Kakinada, Pedapuram and throughout the Godavari district. And I also welcome Srimati P. Seethalakshmi Garu, our beloved principal, Post Vidyalaya principal. And I also welcome Sri T. Chakravarti Garu, PG Maths and Senior Teacher of our Vidyalaya, and Sri R. Satyanarayana Garu, Physical Education Teacher of our Vidyalaya, just retired but not tired. Sri R. Satyanarayana Garu, the inspiration or the hero behind the show. And I also take this opportunity to welcome Srimati P. Anuradha Garu onto stage, Physical Education Teacher, Female Physical Education Teacher of our Vidyalaya, Srimati Anuradha Garu. Yes. And I once again invite all the contingent ESCOT teachers and the ESCOT members, other members, the staff members of the different Vidyalayas, participants of this regional Kabaddi meet, and also the press and parents of our Vidyalaya, press persons of this district, and the host Vidyalaya students and staff members. So once again, I welcome you all to this 34th regional Kabaddi meet, regional office Hyderabad, region Hyderabad, valedictory program. Welcome you, welcome. And as a mark of, yes, come on class, as a mark of our tradition, we begin the program with prayer. All of you, bete, sadhan. Now I request our trial group members for prayer. Thank you, children. So now, as a token of respect towards our chief guest and also guest of honor of today's program, we are going to witness a small welcome dance, a classical dance by Dhatri Sri of class 8.